Okay, and for this indefinite integral, we can first separate it into two integrals. The first one would be 5 integral cosine x dx, because we can bring the coefficient through, and then plus 9 integral sine x dx, and then the formula for the integral of cosine is sine, so this would be 5 sine x. It's not wanting to write well. Plus 9. The integral of sine is negative cosine, so times negative cosine x. And then, as always, we add the plus c. We can bring the negative to the front to make 5 sine x minus 9 cos x plus c. And there you go.